Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of chapter construction, 11th chapter. In the exercise 11.1 only first question is there and the other question is CBSE this time is going to delete, and I'm going to start with the exercise 11.2 question number 1. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure its length. Now what is given? We have to draw or we have to construct a circle of radius 6 cm. So for doing this I'm taking my notebook like this, and it must be firstly I will open my compass with 6 cm. Firstly, draw a circle of radius 6 cm. Put your compass here and draw a circle of radius . So this is a circle of radius 6 cm in which O is the center of the circle and OC you can take it as 6, as you can see. Now what is given in the next line? Construct the pair of tangent from a point 10 cm away from the center of the circle of radius 6 cm. So this is a circle of radius 6 cm. Now I want to draw the tangents, pair of tangent from, this is the 6 cm, from 10 cm away from point O. For 10 cm away from point O, firstly take a line which is having the length 10. 6 is already here. I am going to extend this line up to 10. Here is 10. This point is, I am going to give the name of this name to this point as P. Now this OP is 10 cm. Now I want to draw a pair of tangent. For drawing a pair of tangent, firstly what is necessary? We have to draw one more circle at the point of intersection of these two circles. From the point P, I will draw the tangent to this point, and that will be the tangent. So how will I draw it? Look at my construction. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a perpendicular bisector of OP which intersect OP at some point. For example, this is the 10 cm line. I'm going to open my compass more than half of it. So I am putting my compass at P, and I am going to open it. The radius of the compass must be more than half of it, means more than 5 cm, or that it can be any, you can take any of the radius. So draw an arc from the point P, one upward and one downward. Similarly, put your compass at point O with the same radius and draw another arc. You can see it cut like this. So after joining these two arcs, you can see with this line, by joining these two intersections, you are getting a new point C here, the new center, you can say. Now this is a new center. Take C as center and open your compass, adjust your compass up to point O. Open your compass with the radius OC. You can see now this is the radius OC. I am going to draw another circle. Okay, now firstly you can see here, this is the point P, and these two circles intersect here at give this the name as T, and to this point as S. Now join these 2 points, join P and T, P and S. You will get 2 tangents. Similarly, PT, join PT, pair of tangents. at the point of intersection of these two circles. So PT and PS are the required tangents, and we have to justify my answer, and I want to measure the length. Now I am going to measure its length. The PS is 8, and similarly you can see here PT is also 8. So the result is, I'm going to write the result here. PT and PS are two required tangents, and the length of PT equals to PS equals to 8 centimeter. This is the justification. So this was my question number 1 of exercise 11.2. So watch my next video for the further questions. Thank you very much.